Hello, everyone. I hope that you're doing well. Um, I wanted to do a bit of vlogging before Vlogtober begins officially, and I thought I would just start by showing you a few of the things that have made up my August. Our neighbor brought some sweet corn to us, just very generously gifted it to us, and so I spent some time putting that up and away for later meals. And of course, I had to also make a meal with it right away because you can't resist fresh vegetables like that. I consider my life with my family fairly mundane, in a good way. We are always together. My husband is a stay at home dad, and I, of course, am working from home, so it's just me and my family and our cats and the business, and it's how we like it. Um, Apart from my business, I spend a lot of time with my family and also knitting. My business originally started creating stockings for Etsy and locally, so occasionally I will do that on the side for family and friends, and so that's what I've been doing this month. I'm working on a stocking for a new addition to a family that I made stockings for a couple of years ago, so their daughter will be one, and that's what I've been working on for her, and hopefully can give that to their family as an heirloom, a hand knit stocking for their Christmases to come. So at the beginning of every week, I go through my orders and I sort them by ship by date. Usually I sort by destination because then I can combine the orders at the time of shipping. But whenever I'm trying to keep track of my made to order listings, through and sort by destination and then write down on my notebook a tally of what I need to make for the week. And that just helps me stay organized and not get overwhelmed because I have some things that go out 2 weeks from now and 3 weeks from now. And if I look at all of that at one time, I start to feel the pressure to sculpt everything at once. And um, that's just not doable all the time. So I have started, as of this summer, sorting things by week as far as my sculpting schedule. And that has really helped me stay on top of things and stick to ship by date. school starts back up in our district in August, so it's been quite an adjustment getting the kids back into their routine. My daughter just started pre-K and my son is in first grade, so we've all been tired and adjusting to the new sleep schedule, but they are very excited to be back in school. They both love to read, and with all of us being home all the time, they don't get a whole lot of social outings, so they are very excited to be with their friends again and see people every day, and play out on the playground every day. I'm making one of my husband's favorite dishes. It's pepper pasta, and we really, really like it. We try to eat vegetarian as much as we can. So I've struggled with anxiety most of my life, and beyond just the fact that we really enjoy eating meatless meals for the bulk of our food intake, I've just found that this diet really helps my anxiety levels. So I'm not really sure about most of the science behind that, but if it's working, we're just going to keep doing it. I really enjoy the recipes as well, obviously. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this little vlog, this little peek into my life and behind the scenes, and hopefully it's something that I'm able to continue to do and enjoy. I've decided to approach it as a type of art project rather than me being in the public eye, because that certainly makes an introvert like me nervous. But it has been fun. It's been fun learning the new software and taking footage of just the everyday bits of my life that would seem uninteresting, but putting music to them and just a bit of an artistic flair makes them beautiful. So I think that's kind of the point of vlogging, and a good way to see all the blessings that I have. So I guess I will see you guys next time. God bless you and have a great day.